Hello guys, this weekend we are in Eco Retreats Farm Camp in Pollachi. It's approximately 5 kilometers from the Pollachi main town. This is a very beautiful coconut farm and there are many animals and birds here and we are enjoying this place.
Perfect.
Marinated fish is ready for deep fry.
It's lunchtime.
We have our delicious lunch ready. That's of Konganad special and we have Konganad special fish curry. So we are going to enjoy that.
You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same.
Now we are going to visit a cow farm of Eco Retreats. So let's go.
In pain, oh, some things never change, never change. Oh, you'll break your back to make me feel again. Suffocate to make me.
So this is the one of the extinct species, native cow from Tamil Nadu, named as Kangayam Pashu.
And this cow gives A2 grade milk.
Never change. Redemption never came. I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone. So save your judgment cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change. Oh, they say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break, but they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth.
Good morning guys. So we had our accommodation in this open setup and it was a kind of village accommodation, and we loved this experience.
Suffocate to make me breathe again. Lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change.
So we had a great time here in Eco Retreat Pollachi, a farm camp in Pollachi.
We loved the experience, the villager experience here, and if you want to enjoy this, you can visit with your families or a group of friends and have fun.
So it's purely getting connected to nature and how the old village people lived. If you want to experience same, you can be here at farm camp, Eco Retreats Pollachi.
Hope you liked the video. Share your feedbacks through comments.
If you want to know more about Eco Retreats Farm Camp Pollachi, check our description.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.